my channel today with AmysCreativAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on, this is on a 11 by 14 inch artist loft canvas. So I'm going to do something, I'm going to kind of do a little fun series of, first I'm going to do it on a white base, then I'm going to do it on a black base. Same color, same technique. And then after these two are done, then I'll do the same background, white or black, and then I'll do a different technique. And that was just to kind of see how cool they'll look, the same technique, but with a different base. So the colors that I'm going to use, hopefully I can remember because these are colors that I already had mixed up. This one here is SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue. This one here is Blinkrylic Violet. This one is Liquitex Basics. Oh my gosh, Brilliant Purple, I believe is what it is. And then I have Amsterdam's Titanium White for my Shmear color. And then I'm using Decoart's Metallic 24 karat gold. Just look at that yummy stuff. Love it. All right, so I already have my white down for my base. So let's get to pouring here.
I don't know how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Why would I fight the things I'm feeling? Rather space out here next to you. Ooh, like astronauts, we're in the night sky and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care.
I really like this. I think this is pretty. So I'm gonna stop where it is now, and I'll bring you down for a close-up, and you can see. All right, so we'll bring you down for a close-up. Get all that pretty shimmer from that 24 karat gold. Oops. Cool cells. I like this one there with the white, and the one next to it with the purple and gold in the middle, but it's surrounded by the dark purple. Really pretty. The Dioxazine Violet Hue is probably one of my favorite purples. It's just so pretty. Oh, look at that one there too. Even that oblong one. It's cool how it has the colors wrapped around it. But I do thank everybody for joining me today. I do appreciate all of your support. Sorry, I'm still kind of getting over COVID, so I do apologize. I do thank you guys though for watching. I hope you guys will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz, and and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes up, which I normally do on Wednesdays and Sundays. And then the next video will be the same colors, same technique, but on a black base. So we might not see these very well. Maybe this one we will. The Blick. Oh my god, I just stuck my finger in there. I'm gonna have to fix that. The Blick, and then that one, the SoHo's, but Dioxazine Violet here we might not see very well on the black base, obviously, because it's pretty dark, but the other purples we'll see. So that'll be the next video, and then after that I will do the same, like one white base, one black base, and then a different technique on those. So I hope everybody is healthy and safe and just healthy in general, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, keep being creative. Bye.